What is up, human people? People, humans, robots of the world. AI is taking over. Here we go. We've got a new Dunk Low Pro B by NikeSB in pale ivory. There you go. This is the second Pro B to come out. There's your NikeSB box, looking pretty in purple. Here we go. Let's go ahead and pop these things open. In your box, you got your NikeSB paper and also this cool sticker that comes in most boxes these days. So there you go. Here you go, guys. This is it. This is the second Pro B in the NikeSB collection of the newly released Pro B Dunks. I like the branding on these. I said this last time, where you have the Nike and the swoosh or check in black, and then you have the subtle SB branding. I always think that looks really cool. And this is it. You got this really nice feeling pig suede around the entire shoe, and just this nice ivory color. Looks good. Toe box looks good. No turn and stitch on the Pro Bs. No hidden lace protection either. But you do have these fat laces. The laces are probably the thing that makes it stand out the most. Just comes with fat laces. Not a lot of Dunks coming with fat laces, but your Pro Bs, they come with fat laces. So you got this nice translucent gum outsole on the OG outsole, the original Dunk outsole. So that's pretty nice. A lot of people like the original outsole better than the newer one, which is still pretty dang old at this point. But that's it. That's your Pro B. All one color in that pale ivory. And here you go. You got a little bit lighter color lace, barely lighter. Or is that the same? Dude. I don't know if my eyes are playing tricks on me or what, but this lace looks slightly lighter than the one that comes in there. It literally makes me go cross-eyed if I look at it too long. It could be the same color. I'm about 90% sure it is barely lighter than the pair that comes with it. So yeah, extra laces, extra fat laces. You do have your tongue centering straps, these little Lycra tongue straps to keep your tongue nice and centered. No foam or memory foam heel pods in there. But you do have your nice Air Zoom insole with Poron forefoot. So these things are epic, really good insoles. NikeSB Air Zoom, boom. The Pro Bs fit pretty much just like the other Pro Bs fit, so true to size if you ask me. I don't think you need to go down a half size or up a half size. I'm an 11.5, I wear an 11.5. I will do a poll on the community section, or I guess they call it the post section of this channel, that asks people how these fit. If you got them, let people know how they fit so you guys can talk about it there, because true to size is viewed differently by different people. I think it fits my foot at 11.5. So there you go, 125 bucks. These things release May 29th or 5/29/25. We will probably have an in-store raffle starting next week for these, and then we'll release our online pairs at 10 a.m. on the 29th. So stay tuned for that. There you go. That is the newest Pro B in pale ivory. So what do you guys think of this one as compared to the last one? They're pretty similar, very muted tones or natural tones. I love them. I love this vibe just a little bit. It's just like a nice, clean, pretty shoe. Looks good. So there you go, guys. I'm going to wrap this one up. We'll see you in the next one. All the best. Love Blue Tile. And goodbye for now. Goodbye.